Hey you guys, I did a Costco grocery haul this week, so I want to share with you what I got. Got a couple new things that I'm super excited about, but I got some stuff that we just use a lot of, so it's a much better value to go get it in bulk at Costco. We needed the protein powder that my husband and my boys use. It's pricey. It's $65 at Costco, but that is the cheapest to get it. So that protein powder put me a little over budget today. I spent $328, but everything that I got is stuff that we use a lot of, and this will last us for quite a while. That protein powder is 65 bucks, but it'll last us about 5 months probably, so that it all works out. So let me share with you everything that I got. We are stocked up on the things that we really use a lot of. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I share my grocery hauls with you every week. They're typically from Walmart, but I wanted to share with you today this Costco haul that I got. So we are stocked up, like I said, on the things that we use a lot of. So the protein powder, this will last us quite a bit. It's a big old bag of this stuff. So it's really good. Rotisserie chicken, of course, you cannot go to Costco without getting a rotisserie chicken. They are the best rotisserie chickens around. Walnuts, my husband and my kids, my boys go through a lot of walnuts. So I still had some left over from my last Costco run, so I only got one bag this time, but they're great value. I got this organic peanut butter. They do not make the Kirkland brand of peanut butter anymore from what I've heard, and I haven't been able to find it. So we're going to try out this organic peanut butter. Some Kodiak mix. My son Benjamin, my older of the boys, he has been making his own waffles in the morning, which is quite helpful, of course. So wanted to always make sure we have plenty of Kodiak mix. I love that it's just higher in protein. So there's 15 grams of protein per serving. Absolutely love this stuff. It's great with waffles, great with pancakes, and I also make some muffins with it as well. It's great stuff. So always have to get Kodiak mix. I got these kiwis. I got kiwis a couple weeks ago in my grocery pickup, and they were so delicious. So a big box of kiwis. I got this, and this was a little bit of an impulse, this Guy Fieri Flavortown Chipotle sauce. I just thought it kind of looked really good. So Kickin' Chipotle brings the heat with a combination of smoky chipotle, a sidekick of chili, and a roundhouse of spices that builds mouth-watering heat bite after bite. I mean, how could I not get that? I mean, I'm sold. I just saw this and I had to have it. So hopefully that's really good. I'll do this I do a lot of burrito bowls, a lot of Tex-Mex type stuff. I got this avocado oil spray. I have been watching on YouTube, of course, this nutritionist doctor, and he really recommends avocado oil spray over like other cooking sprays. So I'm going to give that a try. He also recommends some other things too, but of course I can't remember it all. So I just remember the avocado oil spray, so I had to get some of that. This is my favorite turkey. It's just sliced turkey, 2 packs here. The quality is just really good. So this is oven roasted turkey breast, just good quality, great value, and I love this stuff. Big, huge thing of string cheese. So there's 60 string cheeses in here. This will last us a good amount of time. So definitely stocked up on these. 2 boxes of protein bars. Protein bars, they're not cheap either. The protein powder, protein bars really make my budget go crazy. And I did have to get into this box on the way home because I was starving. So I did have a protein bar on the way home. 2 boxes of these. There's 10 in each box, 10 brownie and 10 chocolate chip cookie dough. So this is the kind we like. I usually only have these like once on the weekend when we're doing soccer tournaments with the boys. If we're kind of in between games, I'll do a protein bar, but my husband, he does quite a few protein bars when he is kind of in between meals during the week. So we like these, go through quite a bit, but there's 20 in each box. I thought I'd get 2 boxes, so this will last us almost 2 months, about a month and a half. This box of Belvita, there's 30 packs in here, and they're like in packages of 4. They have these little biscuit things. My kids really like them, so it's a fun little treat. I do pack a lot of snacks when we're out doing all of our sporting events. The boys are in soccer right now. So it's just kind of a convenient thing to throw into the snack bag because it's portioned out already. So throw that in with all of our other lots of snacks. So this was a little bit of an impulse as well. I kind of did get a few things that I normally wouldn't probably have not gotten. This pink salmon, I had been wanting to try this. So it's just like a can of tuna, but it's salmon. I absolutely love salmon. So going to give this a try. There's 6 cans in here. So I am hoping that it's really good and then it'll start being on my repeat list at Costco. So we will try it. I needed olive oil. I just get the Kirkland brand, extra virgin olive oil. This is organic, but it's a big bottle. This lasts a while. Lots of chicken apple sausage. There is 3 of these little 5-packs in here. I do chicken apple sausage with my breakfast. I cut one of these in half each morning for my breakfast. My kids love these. We do sometimes with dinner, like kind of slice them up, and my kids really like chicken apple sausage also. So we go through quite a bit of this. These bacon crumbles I absolutely love, and now that it's starting to get a little bit closer to the holidays, these crumbles are really, really good in like appetizers and dips. So really, really good quality. In a big, huge bag. This bag, it lasts a while. These are also really good as like a salad topping also. So this bag, you refrigerate it after you start using it, but it's good until, it's good until April of 2026. So I had quite a bit of time to use these up, but it's a really big bag, but it's a great value. It's like $8.99 or $7.99 for that big, huge bag of bacon crumbles, and super duper easy. I love these. They're really, really good. 21 grams of protein, 3 carbs for these chicken strips. They are just great quality. I like to cook them in the air fryer, and then I kind of chop them up into bite-sized pieces and put them on top of a salad. They are just really, really good. They're the best air fried personally, I think, but you can bake them in the oven also if you'd like, but really, really great. It's a big, huge bag of them and a really good value. I did get some of these at Walmart one time because I wanted them and we were out and I wasn't going to do a Costco run for some time. So I got them and they were a lot more expensive. So it's just such a better value. They're way more expensive and the bag was a lot smaller than the Costco bag. So definitely want to make sure I was stocked up on these so that I didn't have to buy them at the higher price. And then the last thing I got, some bubbly water, some sparkling water. This LaCroix one is my husband's favorite. So it's a 24-pack. He does one a day in the afternoon. But there's a guava, there's a beach plum, and a black raspberry. So he likes sparkling waters, different kind of light flavors in those. So this is what I got from Costco, and we are stocked up on this stuff that we use a lot of, stuff that's not going to go to waste. So this was it was a little bit of a pricey haul this week, but it's all stuff that is a better value to buy in bulk for us. So hope you enjoyed this week's haul. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.